Hey everybody, and welcome back to Spruce Hill. My name's James, and in today's video, we're gonna be putting new tracks on our skid steer. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So this track on the skid steer, every time it goes around the drive sprocket, it's been popping. At first we thought it was rocks, but then we realized it was the track, and after looking at it, I don't know if you guys can see it here, but see how the track kind of goes in and then comes back out? Well, that means that one of the metal bands that's inside of the rubber track has broken. So the track's out of alignment, so every time this part goes around the drive sprocket, it's popping off a little bit and then going back on. So that means we need a new track. The other side isn't doing it, but these tracks are getting a little old, so Dad went ahead and just got 2 new tracks for this, so tonight we are going to be putting them on. Booyah! So here are the new tracks. Different tread, and these should do better in the snow. These tracks that are on the skid steer now are terrible in the snow. These will definitely be a little bit better. So we just sucked that tensioner in, so now it'll be easier to get the old track off and then. guys, so the GoPro battery's almost dead, so I'm gonna have to make this quick. But here are the new tracks. Look at them. They look pretty good. Hopefully they'll do better in the snow too. They should, because nothing can really do worse than the tracks that were on here. Okay guys, so it's the next day here. It's brighter out, so you guys can see the tracks better now. So these are the new tracks. They look really cool. So here are the old tracks. This is the bad one, and that's the good one. So we're gonna have to mark them to keep these two apart. This one will still make a pretty good spare if something happens to the tracks we have on the skid steer now, and we're in a pinch. We could probably use this track just in case. This track, on the other hand, probably can't use it because the cable is broke, but we're gonna keep it anyways, just in case. My plan is I'll just take a pallet and lift these tracks up with the forks and set it on a pallet, so we can just have them on a pallet, and that'll be easy to move them around in case we ever need them again. Well guys, that's all I got for today. If you did enjoy this video though, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach a goal of 1,000 subscribers. We're at 111 right now, so if you guys could just hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up button, it really helps out the channel and it doesn't cost you guys anything. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.